Hello dear customers, this is a steam cleaning machine. First of all, we open the button on the back. Then we turn it on. The machine starts to heat up. We preheated the machine before. Indicates the following grade. There, it shows the cabin temperature inside the machine. Currently, this is a temperature of 32 degrees inside the machine. The bottoms that appears here adjust the steam level. That's the steam and the chemical. From here, you can adjust the steam level, adjust the level of chemicals. You can adjust from the hose also. Now you can see. When there is a cable break inside the hose, the customer can also adjust it from here. The machine has a steam vacuum hose with two outlets and only a steam hose. They are offered to the customer as an option. Now we attach the hose to the machine. This is a monophase machine. Monophase machines have 3 meters of hose. 3 phases have 4 meters. 4 meters hose can be used in monophase machines as well. Steam can be adjusted 1 level, 2 levels, 3 levels from here as well as for the machine. And this operates the vacuum. There are two fan systems in the machine, one on this side, the other on the other side. These cool the inside of the machine. There are chemical tank and the water tank here. The reserve feed tank is 12 liters. The length of the machine is 3.7 meters. The chemical tank is 3 liters. Vacuum hoses are attached here. You can be removed also. They are 1.4 kilowatt vacuum. I attach a single hose. Also, it is a 4.2 kilowatt. It can be worked at the same time. This is an option. It has 4 wheels. The wheels 2 must be cross-locked. This machine is 4.2 kilowatt. The 9 kilowatt and the 18 kilowatt machines are slightly larger than this. If you have a question, you can contact us from the contact information.